हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बसंत यादव आज इंग्लिश क्लास 12 में ए ग्रेट इंडियन पोएट, म्यूजिशियन, पॉलिटिशियन रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर द्वारा लिखा एक छोटी कहानी द होम कमिंग यानी घर वापसी को बताने जा रहा हूँ। इसे ध्यान से देखें, सुनें और समझें। लेसन को शुरू करने से पहले इसकी संक्षिप्त कहानी जानें, तत्पश्चात इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन होगा। लेट्स बिगिन। प्रस्तुत पाठ में एक बालक के जीवन के संघर्ष, नियंत्रण, जिम्मेदारी, प्रेम और अलगाव का विषय वर्णित है। यह 14 वर्ष की लड़के की हृदयग्राही कहानी है। इसमें 14 वर्ष की बालक की अवांछित घटनाओं का वर्णन किया गया है। इसमें फटिक 14 वर्ष का लड़का जो कि अपने दिनचर्या में अनैतिक कार्यों को अंजाम देता है, जिस कारण उसकी माँ उसे नियंत्रित करने में असमर्थ होती है। वह अपनी माँ की आज्ञा का उल्लंघन करता है, जिसकी अंततः कीमत उसे चुकानी पड़ती है। इसके मेन पॉइंट को देखें। फटिक उस गांव का रिंग लीडर है जो बुरे कार्यों का अंजाम देता है। वह अपनी माँ की आज्ञा का अपमान करता है। उसकी माँ उसे नियंत्रित करने में असमर्थ होती है। अंत में उससे अलगाव करती है। फटिक की माँ अपने बेटे से अलगाव कर उसे उसके मामा के साथ भेज देती है। वहाँ उसे अपनी मामी द्वारा किए गए अपमान तौर पर तिरस्कार का सामना करना पड़ता है। मामी उसके साथ अमानवीय व्यवहार करती है, जिससे उसका जीवन कुंठित हो जाता है। फटिक गंभीर रूप से बीमार हो जाता है और एक लड़के के जीवन का पतन होना शुरू होता है, जो यह जीवन दान देकर चुकाता है। यहाँ आर्यन टैगोर का कहना है कि फटिक को गांव से भेजा जाना चाहिए। फटिक उस तरह का पात्र नहीं था, जिसके कारण उसे गांव के शहर भेज दिया गया। वह एक स्वस्थ लड़का जो प्रकृति का प्रेमी था। अब उसे इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन देखें, बाद में शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर बताए जाएंगे। बट व्हेन हिज मदर स्टेप बैक एंड लुक्ड एट द स्ट्रेंजर, हर एंगर वाज चेंज्ड टू सरप्राइज, फॉर शी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हर ब्रदर एंड क्राइड, "Why, Dada? Where have you come from?" As she said these words, she bowed to the ground and touched his feet. Her mother had gone away soon after she had married, and he had started business in Bombay. His sister had lost her husband while he was in Bombay. Bisambhar had now come back to Calcutta and had at once made inquiries about his sisters. He had them hastened to see her as soon as he found out where she was. These lines the author has discussed about at random appearance of someone, but in the very beginning one could not recognize. Her anger turned into surprise. She recognized him. The man was her brother, and she paid due regards to him, who had gone away just after his sister's marriage. The author has described that her anger turned to surprise when she saw the stranger was not any other. The man stranger was her brother. She astonished to see him. There was great gap between their meeting because he had gone to Bombay just after her sister's marriage. His sister has lost her husband when he was very from her. Now he is very anxious to see his sisters, to know the whereabouts of her as soon as possible, and making lot of inquiries. The second paragraph. There was no more backward boy in the whole school than Fatik. He gaped and remained silent when the teacher asked him a question, and like an overladen as patiently suffered all the blows that came down on his back. When other boys were out at play, he stood wistfully by the windows and gazed at the roof of the distant houses. And if by chance he espied children playing on the open terrace of any roof, his heart would ache with longing. In this paragraph, the writer is going to describe about the Phatik. Phatik was most backward boy in the whole school. He suffered all the beating by the teachers silently like a overladen edge. Whenever he looked the boy playing from the windows, his heart ached with longing from his family and friends. The school life of Fatih was no different from the life in his aunt's home. He was being ill-treated and scolded on both the places. He was the most backward in the whole school. He stared and remained silent whenever his teacher asked any questions to him. So, in the result, he get beaten from the teacher day after day, but still they suffer all the pains silently. Whenever he looks outside the windows and found other boys playing on the roofs of the houses or on the roof, his heart bears the axe of longing from family, friends and village. Thanks. देखें शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन को. Who was the ringleader among the boys of the village? Phatik was the ringleader of his gang. One day, a new mischief got into his head. There was a log lying on the mud flat on the river. He and his friends decided to shift the log from its place and roll it away. Its owner will be angry and they will enjoy the fun. Thanks. The second question. Who did arrive at Phatik's house? A stranger who was Phatik's maternal uncle Bisambar came to Phatik's house, who had gone away after Phatik's mother's marriage, and he also started business at Bombay. Why did Phatik go to Calcutta? Answer. Phatik was a lazy or disobedient and wild boy. He was a regular nuisance and completely out of control of his mother. His uncle, who had been to his sister's house from Calcutta, wanted her to take Phatik to Calcutta. He told her that he could educate, so he went to Calcutta, experienced a new glorious life there. Thanks.